Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that seems small but can actually make a huge difference in how effective your website pop-ups are. And that is disabling background scrolling when your pop-up is open. Let me explain why this matters. Imagine a visitor lands on your site and your pop-up appears. Maybe it's a discount offer, a free download, or a limited time deal. But instead of focusing on the pop-up, they just scroll around the rest of the page and ignore the message. Not ideal, right? That's exactly why disabling background scrolling is important. It helps keep your visitors' attention on the pop-up and increases the conversion rate. Now, there are two ways you can disable background scrolling on your website pop-ups. First, the manual way, using custom CSS and JavaScript. And second, the easy way, using a pop-up plugin. If you're comfortable with code and prefer doing things manually, I've written a full blog post with step-by-step instructions, including the exact code you'll need. You'll find a link to the guide in the video description below. But if you're like me and want a hassle-free solution, you should definitely use a plugin like WowOptin. It's the ultimate pop-up builder for WordPress, and it comes with powerful features like smart triggers, advanced audience targeting, Canva-like pop-up builder, and of course, the option to disable background scrolling with just one click. Now, let me show you how easy it is to prevent background scrolling using WowOptin. First things first, you need to install and activate the plugin. Simply head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins section. Search for WowOptin. Install and activate it just like any other plugin. After this initial setup, head over to the WowOptin dashboard and click on Create New Opt-in. You can either start from scratch or use a pre-made pop-up template. For this video, I'll be using a pre-made template. After selecting it, it will direct you to the pop-up editor page. From this page, you can add various essential pop-up elements like images, text, video, and many more, and customize each of them to your liking. Now, to disable the background scrolling, simply click on the pop-up. You'll notice a floating setting bar. From here, click the Overlay option. Then, look for the setting Prevent Page Scrolling. Simply enable the toggle and we're good to go. Now, your visitors won't be able to scroll when they're viewing your pop-ups. It's that simple. We're almost done. You can further customize your pop-up with amazing features of WowOptin. For example, you can set a specific target audience, specifying who can see your pop-ups based on device, location, and more. You can also set spatial triggers to control the pop-up's display based on different conditions such as scroll depth, inactivity timer, and so on. I highly recommend exploring other options here to build high-converting pop-ups for your website. Alright, that's it. Now you know how to disable background scrolling the easy way and keep your visitors focused on your pop-up. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.